And good afternoon. This is KC9VKV, and this is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network taking place. We're recording live till 5, and if you have a radio you want to check out, we'll be recording the full-time hour and a half. And if you need any help, we will offer our capabilities to set you up as best possible. I think at the moment we've probably done about 120 ICOM 7300 setups, somewhere around there. I'm not real sure, but that's ballpark. But anyway, we are underway, and we're going to open the show with CHARLEY-K1GZL up around Canada. Charlie, you got a copy?
Oh, yeah. Beautiful copy, Jim. 10 and 20 over 9. You're going between 10 and 20 over direct. I suspect I may skip over Rochester, although I think I would hit Arlington pretty well. But I think as close as Rochester today, I could be skipping because you're coming in so well. I think the skip may be a little bit longer than it has been. But oh, what a horrible day out here. It's raining. Just miserable day. Raining. Just miserable day. Give you an idea how you sound direct. This is your signal direct without SDR. Okay, it's got to be in here.
K1GZL up around Canada. Charlie, you got a copy?
No.
You're at 10 over on my local antenna. So I'm going that way. Stand by. We're going on the air here in about 10 seconds.
Okay, back to you, Jim. I hope you could copy that K1GZL.
Oh, perfect, Charlie. But I did have to go to the Raleigh SDR. At that time, it is peaking now there at about, your signal is about 15 over the noise level in Rochester, New York. So, gosh, it's a great day. I'm sorry it's raining up there, Roger.
Oh yeah, it's horrible. I wanted to go outside and do a little work out in the yard, but not in this weather. It's raining. All the snow is gone except for isolated spots in the woods. Did you say I'm better on Rochester or Raleigh? Raleigh, North Carolina would be way off the
Better on Rochester at the moment. You know, those things move around, though. Just about the time you get comfortable with one SDR, you know, it kind of does a little fade number, and then you have to look around. This afternoon, we are running 4 SDRs, 2 tablets, and 2 towers. So we are running 4 SDRs this afternoon. Roger?
Somebody just came on below us, but I think they'll realize the frequency is in use. Yeah, real fine, Jim, real fine. And good audio, crystal clear. Except for a little flatter, it came on, somebody opened up. Just a little bit lower. Yeah, my SWR is horrible. I've got about 40% of my power coming down. Miserable. However, pretty soon I'll be working to try to correct this antenna problem, and in doing so it may mean that I'll be off the air except for my cloud warmer. That's a 3-element wire beam, but it's only designed for short skips, straight up the diameter and down to about 250 miles, and that's it. That's as far as it goes. I worked Roberto over there in near Milan, Italy, yesterday, and Jim WA3FET, who was operating portable, giving Roberto some more counties in Pennsylvania there. So that worked out very well, and of course I used my other antenna, the cloud warmer. Okay, I won't hold it too long, but you sound good. You sound good, and let me check the channel. Now we got somebody right on there. Wait a minute. Yeah, right now it's clearing, but you're overriding it. It's just annoying. KC9VKV, K1GZL, if I'm still getting down or out there.
Roger, Charlie. Well, gosh, thanks for checking in. Sorry you got rain up there, and I hope that you'll get some good weather so you can get some attention onto that main antenna and get it back in shape, so you'll be doing your 20 overs down here. So for between now and then, we'll say threes up that way, Charlie. Appreciate the check-in, and you have a real good day. So threes for now. This is KC9VKV, and this is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network. From now until 5, we're recording, and if you have a radio, you want to check out the audio, give us a shout. This is KC9VKV.